Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are receiving the message at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature, try again later. When attempting to use Instagram Live, it indicates that there may be restrictions or limitations on your account that prevent you from accessing these features. So, in order to fix it, sometimes Instagram imposes temporary restrictions on certain features or actions. So, wait for a while, usually a few hours, and then try accessing Instagram Live again. After that, simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Instagram in the search address bar, and make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app by updating it. Updates may include bug fixes and feature enhancement that could resolve this issue. Also, make sure that you have a stable internet connection while trying to access Instagram Live. Poor internet connectivity may prevent you from using certain features. So if you have tried all this and if this does not work, then consider reaching out to Instagram support for assistance. Simply tap on the tree dashboard and scroll down till you find the option Help and tap on it. Scroll down till you find the Help. Then tap on the Report a Problem option available inside it. Then tap on the Report without shaking. After that, tap on the Include and Continue. After that, you'll have to explain your issues to Instagram support. They may be able to provide further insight into why you are experiencing these issues and offer solutions to resolve it. So that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of being unable to use Instagram Live. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.